Welcome to this tutorial on linking KONTUR radar data with LiDAR to your Road Doctor project. The data has been measured using KONTUR radar with Road Doctor survey van. Follow the steps mentioned in the video after you install the software to your machine. Note that I'm using version 3.7 for this tutorial. You can purchase the newest version by contacting our company. For more information, visit our website. At first, let's create a Road Doctor project. We will select the folder where we want to have it. Typically, it's the same folder where we already have the raw data. You can also create it somewhere else, and Road Doctor can copy the files there from the raw data folder. Let's give this project a name and save it. You can accept the default settings. Now we have a project created in a project tree. Next, let's start the batch link survey van operation by choosing batch link survey van data from GPR processing toolbar. When this dialog window appears on your screen, choose Current Project option. In the next window, choose Add folder of files. There you should select the raw data folder. The program searches all the video, GPR and LiDAR files also in the subfolders and finds trajectories for found data. We got a notification that no valid video files found in the selected folder. It means that there's just some folder where there are no video files. Based on the data file trajectories, the program tries to match the data to different lines in the project, if they already exist. In this case, there are no previously made lines, so we will need to create the lines from scratch using the measurement coordinates. Let's select the measurement nearest to the road center line. Here we can see that this one is the right road direction laying and the leftmost measurement. We will use this as a baseline location. A name should be given to the file, and it should be set as the line for rest of the measurements. Now all these laser scanner files in Road Doctor can be linked. Let's set the last two files in a different direction. Similarly, let's inspect the GPR file specification settings and set a different direction for those same two files to match. Road Doctor has automatically tried to find out what laser scanner file is related to each KONTUR radar file. We can already see that for the last one the operation was unsuccessful. This measurement was done in the opposite direction, so let's change that straight away. Same with the last file. Let's set the line. For the missing geometry file, we can pick the correct one from the drop-down menu. We'll make some changes to the default settings. In our case, let's not copy the files to line folder. Instead, we'll use raw data folder for the output directory. That way, the GPR files and video files are kept in their original places. Grid coordinate system can be set. In our case, it's finish. For our DLS, select Inertial Measurement Unit as a positioning source. In GPR positioning settings, set raw external GPS GPR coordinates as a position source, and scaling by chainage as a scaling method. Select Look and edit the coordinates. Check the parameters. As we can see, the distances are not set. For files to be aligned correctly, this needs to be fixed. We'll set the distance from common origin of the system for the center point of the radar antenna. Let's copy the settings for each data raw. The settings for the 3D radar can also be changed. View can be set to Advanced, so that will have higher resolution in the final files. The number of samples is now 1024, but we can quadruple it. The oversampling should also be changed in that case, which the program does automatically. Going back to Simple View, we can again check if everything's okay. Directions are correct. We can proceed. Press OK button. The program will show the trajectories for the laser scanner's files at first. Let's accept them. Now the next trajectory will be shown. Repeat the procedure for all of them. Because the GPS quality was good, the data looks good too. Next, the program is going through all the GPR files and is linking them one by one to channels. This might take a while. After the GPR files are linked, the program starts profile and international roughness index calculation, automatically defining profile file from accelerometer values and writing a point cloud file, which was created from laser scanner deflection points. This operation is done for each file, so again the process might take a while. At the same time, Road Doctor keeps a log. After the operation is ready, the program shows the number of linked files. We can close the log window. Let's make sure that all the files were linked successfully by looking through them in the project tree. That's all, the linking is completed successfully. There are many more features offered by Road Doctor. Check out other tutorials in this series. See you next time!